Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make Popeyes spicy mayonnaise. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, head down, hit that subscribe button down there, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this button to have me show you how to make Popeyes spicy mayonnaise. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1½ teaspoons of ground cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. Let's start mixing it up. All right, like we always do, you want to start with a bowl that's big enough for all your ingredients. Then we're just going to add the mayonnaise. I'm going to go ahead and throw the vinegar in there and mix that up before we add our dry ingredients. And as you notice in the picture, I've got them all mixed up in the bowl as one because 1/4 teaspoon is not very much and I don't have bowls that tiny. So I'm just going to go ahead and add all of this in here. I'm going to grab a whisk to do this though. Then you just whip this up till it's all incorporated really well. I will leave the recipe down in the description box for all of you to follow and make this for yourself. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a little bowl, put it with some chicken strips, take some awesome photos of it for social media. We're going to put those pictures into the timeline with some groovy music, and then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Don't go anywhere. Alright, now that we got those pictures, we are going to give this a taste. So, get a generous amount on the edge of this. To me, it's not so much spicy. The creaminess of that mayonnaise, you can taste the garlic and onion in there. A little heat at the end. But basically, it's just a smoky, good mayonnaise. It'd be good on a shrimp, chicken, fish, burger, whatever you want. I think this is one of the best yet that I've done. Go ahead and check it out. Make it at home. This is really, really good. Like I said, it's down in the description box down there. So make sure you check that out. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it already. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And then most of all, don't forget to share this with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.